Okay, now that we've talked about average constituency, we can now talk about calculating absolute unfairness. And this is very simple. All you have to do is calculate the average constituency of one group and subtract the calculation of the average constituency of the other group. And the difference is the absolute unfairness. So like when I was talking about those two teachers, I had 25 to 1 and 30 to 1. So the average constituency of the larger one was 30 because 30 divided by 1 is 30, minus the 25 because 25 divided by 1 is 25. And so the absolute unfairness is 5. Excuse me. And basically what you're saying is, in terms of the number of people that each representative has, the teacher in this classroom has 5 more children that she has to deal with. Just like, where was it? The states of Wisconsin and Texas. If I were to subtract these two numbers, that would be the absolute unfairness to Wisconsin. It would tell you exactly how many more people Wisconsin representatives have to deal with. And I'll do that real quick. 684,875 minus, and then Texas was 671,469. So when I subtract those two numbers, I get 13,406. That is a lot of extra people that each representative in Wisconsin has to deal with. That's pretty unfair, but they simply call that absolute unfairness. All right. Now, the next thing they talk about is, oh, I'm sorry. Here's an example of it. Sorry. Suppose the Weaver Guild with 1,542 members has 6 delegates. Okay, so they got this many members with 6 delegates. Take those number of members, divide by 6, and you get 257. That's their average constituency. So each delegate, each of those 6 delegates has 257 of the members. They probably got a list, you start with letters A through D in the alphabet, and then the next go E through H or something, and on down the line. And then we've got the Artist Alliance with that many members, and they have 5 delegates. So you divide the number of members by the number of delegates, and each one of them has 289. So to do this subtraction, simply take the larger number minus the smaller one, and the difference is the absolute unfairness. And that's how you calculate that. It's very easy.